And mom, daddy and mommy, I finished my water bottle and then I refill it like this time.
Pagupit ko na
And
buhok
there
ko.
was over here like this.
Tingnan niyo po si Joanne,
This
oh,
is the
haba
start
ng
and
buhok
then
ko.
go all the way up here
May
on my
araw.
elbow.
Pagupit ka tomorrow, ha? Patingin ng hair, pakita mo yung hair
All
mo.
the way up here.
Pakita mo yung hair mo.
Look at my hair.
See guys, oh, patingin ako on the side. Ayan, ang haba, oh. Pagupit natin yan tomorrow.
No.
Why? Tingnan mo, pangit mukha mo si daddy mo.
No, I don't. What do you mean?
What do you mean? Look at your face, what do you mean? Ay, hoy! Kamukha mo si daddy mo, ano ba yan?
Hindi naman ako kumakain si daddy. Ano ba yan?
Kamukha mo kaya.
Wala kaya.
Pangit. So,
Hindi kaya.
pagupit natin para pogi ka ulit, ha?
Okay, ni Kayomi.
Ha?
I said, okay, ni Kayomi.
Kayomi.
Ni Kayomi means me Kayomi.
Pawis na pawis ka. Nag-play kayo sa labas?
Yes!
Anong play nyo?
Yes.
Anong play nyo?
I said, I
Ano?
share.
Hide and seek?
No, I share, mommy.
What did
I
you share?
share my bike. I share
Oh,
my
very good.
bike.
Nag-share ka. Kanino mo share niya? Oh! Hala! Nahulog.
I share my bike to
To your classmate?
Jackie.
To Jaiking. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
And Jackie give me the basketball.
May araw po siya. Mga ma'am. Mga ma'am, siyang baho po ni Johan. May araw po siya.
Wait lang po, okay?
Okay, bye-bye na nga.
No! No!
Why?
No! Okay?
Okay po.
No!
Ipapause ko lang.
Pause it. Guys, that was just a pause, okay?
Yan na sila, Ate Heart.
Do like our video.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you like it.
And subscribe.
Subscribe if you don't like it, okay? Okay?
They don't have a choice.
Bye-bye.